The installation is divided into the following parts. Preparation before installation. During the installation, the following tools may be used. Unpack the packaging box. Take out the indoor unit and check whether there is any scratch, deformation, and other defects on the panel. Take out the accessories. Check whether the accessories are complete. Check whether the red dot on the gas pipe nut is sticking out. If it has been denied, the unit is leaking and should not be installed. Installation of indoor unit. Space requirement for the installation of the indoor unit. Fix the mounting plate. Measure the relative dimensions to the indoor unit. Release the fixing screw of the mounting plate and remove it. Confirm the position of the mounting plate according to the unit position. Use a leveling tool to make it horizontal. Mark the positions of screw holes with a pencil or other tool. Drill screw holes. Insert the plastic archer. Fix the mounting plate with screws. Confirm the position of the wall hole according to the direction of exit pipe. Determine the wall hole position according to the exit pipe direction and the expected installation position of outdoor unit. Avoid wires and other foreign materials. Attention should be paid that the inside of hole should be about 1 centimeter or 0.5 inches higher than the outside for smooth drainage. If left exit pipe or right exit pipe is chosen, the wall hole should be a little bit lower than the unit for smooth drainage. Connection of indoor wires. Open indoor unit panel and find the wiring diagram, which must be strictly followed during wiring work. Loosen the screw for fixing cover of wiring and remove the cover. Remove the cover of terminals. Put the unit upside down and cut the cable hole according to the thickness of the cable. Blind all leads of the cable together for easily going through. Put the cable through wire outlet from the back. Pull the cable out and free the leads. Connect the wires, refer to the wiring diagram. Press the connecting wire at the thickest part with press card and get it fixed. Mount the cover of terminals. Mount the cover of wiring. Connection of copper pipe. Straighten the pipe slowly. The input and output pipes should be adjusted to appropriate position at slow speed with even strength, according to selected pipe exit direction. Push the cross valve in the nut of input pipe slowly with a tool to discharge the nitrogen inside the unit. And remove the plastic nuts of input and output pipes. Remove protective caps of copper pipes. The cone should be vertical to top pipe socket. When the nut is near the bottom of the bolt, tighten it with 2 wrenches. Connection of drain pipe. Insert the extension drain pipe into the main water pipe outlet and use insulation tape to avoid loosening and leakage. Coiling is not allowed for water pipe. Installation of fresh air part. There are 2 fresh air pipes available for both 9K and 12K BTU per hour units. The standard accessory is small one with inner diameter 30 millimeters and 1 plus 1.5 meters length, which can absorb maximum 30 cubic meters per hour of fresh air volume. the big one is optional, which inner diameter is 53 millimeters and length is 1 meter. It can absorb maximum 60 cubic meters per hour fresh air volume. To avoid extra wall hole, the fresh air pipe should be bound together with copper pipes, connection wire and drain pipes for going through the wall. If you choose standard small fresh air pipe, the diameter of wall hole should be more than 75 millimeters. You can choose backward exit, right exit, or left exit. If you choose optional big fresh air pipe for higher volume, the diameter of wall hole should be more than 102 millimeters, and left backwards exit direction is the only choice. All these installations will be shown one by one. 30 cubic meters per hour fresh air volume. Open the fresh air pipe assembly and insert the 1 meter pipe into the connector. Apply the insulation tape for seal and fixing. Connect the extension 1.5 meter pipe according to the wall thickness if necessary. Apply the insulation tape for seal and fixing as well. Align the fresh air duct connector with the body socket, pay attention to the orientation of the positioning pin, and insert the tube connector until it snaps into place. Pipe laying and wrapping. Arrange all pipes and wires well and start to wrap. Wrapping is conducted in order where fresh air pipe and connection wires are at upper side, copper pipes are in the middle, and water pipe is at the lower side. Bind all the pipes and cable tightly and make its diameter lower than 75 millimeters. Make the fresh air pipe and drain pipe out of the bandage according to the wall thickness. Bind the end of fresh air pipe and drain pipe for easily going through wall hole and avoiding other objects to go in. Mount the indoor unit. Copper pipe and connecting wire after wrapping are threaded slowly through wall hole to prevent from colliding with the wall or bending. Hang the indoor unit on the hook of mounting plate. Insert the lower part of indoor unit into the groove of mounting plate. Cut out the left outlet and get rid of burrs. Insert the fresh air connector to the socket on the unit. Add the extension insulation tube to the drain pipe to avoid the condensate and leaking inside the unit. Wrap the copper pipes with connection wire, drain pipe separately. Arrange the copper pipes, fresh air pipe, and drain pipe well to make them go through the left outlet flatly. Keep the drain pipe lowest. Then wrap all of them together tightly to make the diameter lower than 75 millimeters. Make all the pipes and wires through the wall hole and mount the indoor unit. Cut out the right outlet and get rid of burrs. Arrange the copper pipes, fresh air pipe, and drain pipe well to make them go through the left outlet flatly. Keep the drain pipe lowest. Then wrap all of them together tightly to make the diameter lower than 75 millimeters. Make all the pipes and wires through the wall hole and mount the indoor unit. 60 cubic meters per hour fresh air volume. Insert the big fresh air connector to the socket on the unit. Bend the copper pies and drain pipe to 90 degrees at the position of fresh air pipe for left backwards outlet direction. Arrange all the pipes and wires well and wrap tightly to avoid the unit left up when it is mounted on the wall. Wrap fresh air pipe together with other pipes and wires tightly and make the diameter lower than 102 millimeters. Make all the pipes and wires through the wall hole and mount the indoor unit. Installation of the outdoor unit. Installation of filters. Open the panel and take out one of the big filters. Insert the functional filter into the position at the back of the big filter. Put the big filter back. Pull out the frame of fresh air filter on the left of the unit. Put the fresh air filter inside the frame. Put the fresh air filter assembly back. Close the panel. Trial operation. Open the panel. Take out one of the big filters and pour a certain amount of water slowly through the upper part of the evaporator to check whether drainage is smooth. After it is ensured that water flows through drain pipe smoothly, drain pipe should be inserted into outside drain pipeline. Check the fresh air pipe outside and make sure it's opening downwards to avoid rain and dust to get inside. There is spiral net covered the fresh air intake to avoid mouse or other bigger objects to get inside. Use damping adhesive to seal the wall hole to prevent foreign materials from entering the interior. Turn on the unit and set different functions to confirm all of them are normal.